Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to enable Face ID on Lazada. I wonder why you want to know how to enable Face ID on Lazada. Maybe because you want to secure your account by enabling the Face ID so whenever you purchase something, it could only be purchased by your Face ID so that no other person could purchase anything from your account, or there could be any other reason for you to enable the Face ID option on Lazada. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can enable the Face ID on Lazada. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of options almost all over the screen and different products that you could purchase. So if you want the app to be only purchase product by using the Face ID, so you could do it. So if you're thinking that the Face ID will work on when you turn on and turn off the app, so this is not the thing. So here you could see I turned off and turned on the app, but it didn't ask for any Face ID, and it will not for future, because the Face ID option will work when you're purchasing something. So let's say you share your mobile with someone and someone else purchases from your mobile, so it will helpful for you to not do that. So here, once you have entered your account, you have to click on settings. Once you get there, you will see different options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. From all these options, you have to simply click on this first option, account information. Once you click on it, you will get into your account settings where you could manage different stuff. So here we have this option which says enable Face ID. Right now it is turned off, and once you open it, it will first show you like this, that you have to verify your email address, and once you verify it, it will take you here. Now your mobile phone will ask that if you really want to allow this app to use your Face ID or not. So here you have to click on OK because you want a Face ID to be enabled. Then you have to show your face in front of the mobile. Once you do that, it will detect your face, and after that it will enable the Face ID option on this app. Now if you want to purchase anything, first you have to show your face and then it will allow you to purchase anything. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can enable the Face ID on Lazada. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.